Yeah, big milestone today because we hit the big 5-0 in terms of number of 100-degree days in a summer. We're not going to surpass 2011 unless basically the entire rest of this month is above 100 degrees, and I don't have that in our future. 71 back in 2011, 69 in 1980, 56 in 1998, 1954 had 52 of them. And then there's this year, 50 of them so far. So we're definitely going to add to that list. I could see us slotting into that 4th place before the week is done. How much more will we climb after that? Hopefully not a lot more. At least on that 10-day forecast, things are looking that way. 103 was the high today, only a degree shy of the record. 102 out there at the moment. Does feel like 105. In today's pollen count, grass, elm, and ragweed are all high. Fungus is low. Heat advisory continues for the moment. Will likely be extended in some form or fashion the rest of the week, maybe even some areas under one of those excessive heat warnings before the week is done. Quiet in North Texas, although there's some storms that have erupted to the west of Haskell, west of Wichita Falls. Some of that activity may sneak into our western areas as a decaying shower storm late this evening and into tonight, but most of North Texas will stay dry tonight. But there will be kind of a front or outflow boundary in the area tomorrow, and with the heat of the day, that's going to provide the focus for maybe some pop-up showers and storms. Certainly not a washout of a day, but maybe a chance for a stray shower storm to move over your location tomorrow afternoon and evening. Any of that activity will die out as we lose the heat of the day. And coverage tomorrow, 20, maybe 30% across the area, which means most of you will stay dry. And the severe weather threat with that, pretty minimal. But as always, we get thunderstorms and it's really hot out. Can't rule out some gusty winds. Warm, muggy, and breezy tonight. 81 will be your low, and then tomorrow 103 again for the high. It's also an air quality alert. Hot and humid and breezy conditions tomorrow. Record heat Thursday and Friday, maybe even close to record heat tomorrow. The record's 104. We'll be close to that. 104 again on Thursday for the record high, but I think we'll be above that. And then we're going to smash the record on Friday with a high of 107. But then you can see next week, things looking back closer to normal for this time of the year. Highs around 90, maybe even a day or two in the upper 80s and multiple days of rain chances. You know, I'm not saying every single one of those days is going to be a washout, but here's hoping that at least between Saturday and next Thursday, all of North Texas at least sees something.
I mean, it's like the football god said, okay, now it's time, drop it below 100.
Yeah, the ADs and coaches around the area may hate me for saying this, but 107 on Friday, maybe kick those kickoffs back again like you did a couple weeks ago.